to transformations. Next concept, transformations. So transformation is nothing but we need to convert the addition formula to multiplicative formula and multiplicative formula to addition formula. Okay, for example, I am taking sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b equal to 2 sin a cos b. What is the formula of sin of a plus b? Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b plus sin of a minus b formula sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So cos a sin b getting cancelled. Sin a cos b 2 times 2 sin a cos b. So this is one of the formula. Next, sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. Sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. 2 cos a sin b. 2 cos a sin b. So this is the formula. Here it is minus, this is plus. This one cancel. 2 times of cos a sin b we will get. 2 cos a sin b. Next, so cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b equal to 2 cos a cos b. 2 cos a cos b. Cos of a plus b formula cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, and cos of a minus b formula cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Sin a sin b getting cancelled. 2 times of cos a cos b. 2 times of cos a cos b. Next, cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b. If we do, this is minus, this is minus, this is minus, this is also minus. So this one getting cancelled. Minus 2 times of sin a sin b. Minus 2 sin a sin b. So this is addition to multiplication. So multiplication to addition, 2 sin a cos b. Reversely I am writing. If it is given sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b, 2 cos a sin b. If it is given 2 cos a sin b, sin of a plus b plus sin of minus sin of a minus b. Next, 2 cos a cos b. If 2 cos a cos b, then cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. So instead of minus, I am taking 2 sin a sin b. 2 sin a sin b. If it is given 2 sin a sin b, so minus we will multiply cos of a minus b. This will plus become minus cos of a plus b. So, and one more way I will write 2 sin a sin b equal to sin a plus b sum sin a minus b difference. 2 cos a sin b sin sum. So a plus b sum minus sin difference a minus b difference. Next, 2 cos a cos b equal to 2 cos a cos b equal to cos sum plus cos difference. Next, 2 sin a sin b. 2 sin a sin b cos difference minus cos sum. So these are the formulas. Of course, all these formulas are same, but we will depend in the different way. Okay, now so I am taking 2 sin a cos b. So I will represent a different way. A plus b equal to c. a minus b equal to d. A plus b equal to c, a minus b equal to d. So c plus b by 2 equal to what? C plus d by 2. A plus b plus a minus b by 2. B cancel. 2a by 2 equal to a equal to c plus d by 2. Next, c minus b by 2 equal to a plus b minus a minus or minus plus b by 2. A cancel. 2b by 2 equal to b. So c minus d by 2 equal to b. C plus d by 2 equal to a. So now I want to write the formula a plus b equals c. So sin c plus sin d equal to 2 sin a equal to c plus d by 2. 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Cos c minus d by 2. So the formulas I am writing, these are very important. So 14 sin c plus sin d. 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Sin c minus sin d. 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Cos c plus cos d. 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. If it is both cos, we will get both cos. So and sin addition in middle. Cos c minus cos d equal to minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. If it is both cos, either both sin cos will exist or both sin will exist. Between plus both cos, between minus both sin and minus 2. Okay, so sin c plus sin d. So 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. If it is minus in middle, first 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. These formulas are very important. You must remember the formulas. So based on these formulas, we will do 2 exercises. Okay, so you must remember these formulas. Okay, next exercise 6 E. So these are the last formulas in this unit. Exercise 6 E. First question. Prove that sin 50 minus sin 70 plus sin 10 equal to 0. So I am taking LHS. Left side sin 50 minus sin 70 plus sin 10. So this one and this one I am taking sin 50 plus sin 10 minus sin 70. Ladder. Sin c plus sin d formula. Previously we discussed it. Sin c plus sin d. 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. 2 sin 50 plus 10 by 2 cos 50 minus 10 by 2 minus sin 70 I am writing active 90 minus 20. Okay, 2 sin 50 plus 10 60 by 2 30 cos 50 minus 10 40 by 2 20 minus sin of 90 minus theta cos 20. So 2 sin 30 1 by 2 cos 20 minus cos 20. 2 cancel cos 20 minus cos 20. Cos 20 minus cos 20 cancel 0. This is equal to RHS. This is the required proof. Second question is prove that sin 70 minus cos 40 sin 70 minus cos 40 by cos 50 minus sin 20 equal to 1 by root 3. minus sin 20. So change it. Either this is as cos or this is as sin, like that. So sin 70 as it is, cos of 90 minus 50. 90 minus 50 equal 40. Cos of 90 minus 40. 90 minus 40 equal 50 minus sin 20. Next, sin 70 as it is minus 90 cos will become sin. It is first quadrant, so it is positive. Positive into negative minus. So sin 50 by cos. Since it is 90, 90 will become 90. Cos will become sin. First quadrant positive minus sin 20. Now both are in the formula sin c minus sin d. What is the formula for sin c minus sin d? 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Cos 70 plus 50 by 2 sin 70 minus 50 by 2 by 2 cos 40 plus 20 by 2 into sin 40 minus 20 by 2. Okay, now 2 getting cancel. Cos 70 plus 50 120 by 2 cos 60 into 70 minus 50 20 by 2 10 sin 10 by 40 plus 20 60 by 2 30 cos 30 into 40 minus 20 20 by 2 10 sin 10 sin 10 cancel. Cos 60 value 1 by 2 cos 30 value root 3 by 2 2 cancel 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is the solution. Okay, next third, prove that cos 55 plus cos 65 plus cos 175 equal to 0. We need to prove cos 55 plus cos 65 plus cos 175 equal to 0. So for this LHS, cos 55, cos 65, cos 175. I am taking this one. Now first I am writing this one, later this. Cos 65 plus cos 55. Whenever we are applying cos c plus cos d or sin c plus sin d formula, first we should choose bigger value, later smaller value. Plus cos 180 minus 175, I will write it as 180 minus 1. Cos c plus cos d formula, 2 cos c plus d by 2, 65 plus 55 by 2, cos 65 minus 55 by 2. Cos of 180 minus theta, 180, cos will become cos 5. Second quadrant, cos is negative, so minus cos 5. So 2 cos 65 plus 55, 120 by 2, 60. Cos 65 minus 55, 10 by 2, 5 minus cos 5. So 2 cos 60, 1 by 2, cos 5 minus cos 5. 2 cancel, cos 5 minus cos 5. Cos 5 cancel equal to 0. This is equal to RHS. Next, question number 4. So coming to the fourth question, prove that 4 of cos 66 plus sin 84 equal to root 3 plus root 15. Okay, we need to prove this one. 4 of cos 66 plus sin 84 equal to this one. So LHS, 4 of cos 66 plus sin 84. 4 cos 66 as it is I am taking. 84 I want to write sin 90 minus 6. 84. 90 minus 6 equal to 84. Now 4 of cos 66 90, sin will become cos. So first quadrant positive plus cos 6. So again formula cos C plus cos B. So formula is 2 cos 66 plus 6 by 2 cos 66 minus 6 by 2. So 4 into 2 8 cos 66 plus 6 72 by 2 36 cos 66 minus 6 60 by 2 30. So 8 cos 36. So cos 36 value root 3 plus 1 cos 36 root 5 plus 1 by 4 into. So cos 30 value root 3 by 2. 4 into 2 8 8 cancel. Root 3 of root 5 plus 1. Root 3 into root 5 root 15. Root 3 into 1 root 15 plus root 3. So this is equal to RHS. Next, so question number 5th. Fifth question. Prove that cos 20, cos 40, cos 20, cos 40 minus sin 5, sin 25, sin 5, sin 25 equal to root 3 plus 1 by 4. Equal to root 3 plus 1 by 4. Cos 20, cos 40 minus sin 5, sin 25 equal to root 3 plus 1 by 4. So I want to multiply. First I am taking LHS. Cos 20, cos 40 minus sin 5, sin 25. Multiply and divide with 2. 1 by 2. 2 cos 40 cos 20. 2 cos 40 cos 20 minus 2 sin 25 sin 5. So up to fourth question, this is addition to multiplication. So this is multiplication to addition. So previously we wrote some formulas. Among those, 2 cos A cos B formula, 2 sin A sin B formula. So 2 cos A cos B equal to 2 cos A cos B, cos sum 40 plus 20, cos difference 40 minus 20 minus 2 sin A sin B, cos sum, cos difference first, cos difference 25 minus 5 minus cos sum 25 plus 5. Next 1 by 2 cos 60. Next 40 minus 20 20 plus cos 20 cos 20 25 minus 5 cos 20 minus cos 20 minus or minus plus cos 25 plus 5 30. Cos 20 cancel 1 by 2 cos 60 equal to 1 by 2 cos 30 equal to root 3 by 2 overall root 3 plus 1 by 2 into root 3 plus 1 by 4. This is equal to RHS. Next question number 6th. Sixth question. Prove that cos 48 into cos 12 equal to 3 plus root 5 by 8. 3 plus root 5 by 8. Okay, so for this I am taking LHS. Cos 48 into cos 12. Same multiplication to addition. So what I am doing, multiplying and dividing with 2. 1 by 2 into 2 cos 48 cos 12. The formula is 2 cos A cos B. Cos sum plus cos difference. 1 by 2 cos 48 plus 12 plus cos 48 minus 12. So 1 by 2 cos 48 plus 12 60. 48 minus 12 36. So 1 by 2 cos 60 values cos 30 root 3 by 2 cos 60 1 by 2 cos 36 root 5 plus 1 by 4. So 1 by 2 into taking LCM 4 by 2 2 into 1 2 root 5 plus 1. So So root 5 2 plus 1 v by 4 into 2 v plus root 5 by 8. Okay. So next similar kind of question, second bit. Second bit, fifth question. Second bit, fifth question. Prove that 4 cos 12, 4 cos 12, cos 48, cos 72 equal to cos 36. Cos 36. 4 cos 12, cos 48, cos 72 equal to cos 36. Okay. Next. So LHS first. LHS 4 cos 12, cos 48, cos 72. So first 2 into 2 cos, first I am writing 72 cos 12. I am taking the combination bigger and smaller into cos 48. So 2 into 2 4 cos 12 cos 48 cos 72. So this one. Next 2 into 2 cos A cos B cos 2 cos A cos B. So formula cos of cos 1 plus cos B 72 plus 12 plus cos 72 minus 12 into cos 48. So 2 cos 84 plus cos 22 minus 12 60 into cos 48. So 2 cos 84 cos 48 plus 2 cos 60 cos 48. Now 2 cos A cos B, again the formula. So cos 84 plus 48 by 2 plus cos 84 minus 48 by 2. So cos not by 2. Cos sum plus cos difference. 2 cos A cos B. Cos 84 plus 48 cos 84 minus 48 plus 2 into cos 61 by 2 cos 48. 2 to getting cancel. So cos 84 plus 48 equal to 122 plus cos 84 minus 48 36 plus cos 48. Next I will write this one 122 equal to 180 minus 48. 180 minus 48 equal to 122 plus cos 36 plus cos 48. Cos of 180 plus 180 minus 180 cos will become cos 48. Second quadrant minus plus cos 36 plus cos 48. So cos 48 cancel. This is equal to cos 36. This is equal to we need to prove this one. Okay. Next question. So actually this is fifth question. Next sixth question. Sixth question is prove that sin 10 plus sin 20 plus sin 40 plus sin 50 equal to sin 70 plus sin 80. Sin 70 plus sin 80. Okay. Now, so I am taking LHS. Sin 10 plus sin 20 plus sin 40 plus sin 50. So LHS. So combination these two I am taking. Sin 50 first bigger sin 10 plus sin 40 plus sin 20. Same formula sin c plus sin d, sin c plus sin d. 2 sin 50 plus 10 by 2 sin cos 50 minus 10 by 2. 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Same formula. Plus 2 sin 40 plus 20 by 2 cos 40 minus 20 by 2. No. So 2 50 plus 10 60 by 2 30. 2 sin 30 50 minus 10 40 by 2 20 cos 20. Next 40 plus 20 60 by 2 30 plus 2 sin 30. 40 minus 20 10 by 2. 40 minus 20 20 by 2 10 cos 10. So 2 sin 30 of cos 20 plus cos 10. 2 sin 20 1 by 2 cos 20 plus cos 10. 2 cancel cos 20 plus cos 10. So actually problem completed, but we need to prove like this. Okay, 70s and 80s. So cos 90 minus 70 equal 20. Cos 90 minus 10, 90 minus 80 equal 10. 90 cos will become sin 70. First quadrant positive. 90, so cos will become sin 80. First quadrant it is positive. So sin 70 plus sin 80. This is equal to RHS. So this is the required solution.